Hello friends, welcome to Indian Mom's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do so now and press on the bell icon for notifications for every new video that I upload. Today's recipe is a Chana Dal Payasam or the Kerala style Kadala Parippu Pradhaman. For this, in the pressure cooker, I have taken 2 teaspoons of ghee, to which I have added 1 cup of chana dal which I have soaked for 1 hour. Saute this on medium flame till the dal changes color and gives out a lovely aroma, approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 cup of water. Pressure cook for 3 whistles on medium flame. While the dal is cooking, in a saucepan I have taken 1 cup of jaggery. Here I have used organic jaggery, you can use any jaggery of your choice, to which I have added 1 cup of water and melted the jaggery. Remove from flame and keep aside. In previous videos where I showed Paisam, many of you all have inquired with me how I make coconut milk, the first extract and the second one. Here I am giving you a live demo of that. I have grated 1 coconut. Put the grated coconut into a blender, to which I will be adding 1 cup of lukewarm water. This I am doing for the first milk. Blend the mixture for a minute. Then to extract the milk, I have kept a white cloth, or you can use a muslin cloth, into which the ground coconut mixture is put and the milk is squeezed out through the cloth. This is your first thick coconut milk. I've put the coconut back into the blender. Added 2 cups of lukewarm water. And blended again for a minute. Repeat the same process to extract the second milk. This residue that you can see, please don't throw it away. You can use it to make laddus or barfis. Here your first milk and your second milk is ready. Check to see if your dal is cooked. I've added 2 tablespoons of soaked Sabudana. This is optional. You can add if you like it or you can omit it. Keep it to boil till the Sabudana goes transparent. Then add the prepared jaggery syrup. I've passed it through a sieve to remove any impurities that are there in the syrup. Keep this mixture to boil on a high flame for 5 minutes or till it thickens. To this add the second coconut milk. Continue cooking on a high flame for 5 to 7 minutes. To this add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin powder, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder or saunf. Mix well. Reduce the flame and add the first coconut milk. Make sure that you don't boil the paisam now, because there are chances that the first milk will curdle. So once it is heated up well, switch off the flame. This paisam will thicken as it sits. In a frying pan, take 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add some pieces of fresh coconut. This is entirely optional. Fry these coconut pieces till they turn golden. To this, add a handful of cashew nuts. Also add some raisins and saute till the raisins bloat up. Transfer this fried nuts and raisins into the paisam. Mix well. Kadala Parippu Payasam or a Chana Dal Payasam is ready to eat. Have it warm or cold. Happy Onam to all of you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.